So if you're getting the issue or you're unable to connect to NVIDIA, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here to solve this issue. Well, first thing that you want to do is you may want to restart certain services. So sometimes services that's running in the background maybe the one that's causing this issue. So what you need to do is you want to go to search here. Just type in the following. It's going to be network. Or sorry, you want to go and just type in service, and you want to open up the service here, and you want to select any of these services that you're seeing right now and just press N on your keyboard. Now, you want to look for NVIDIA in here. So there are a lot of NVIDIA services that you should be able to see here, but what you're looking for specifically is going to be NVIDIA Display Container LS. Now, this is usually what's causing the problem. So what you need to do is you want to go and right click on it and just choose Restart. Now, once you restart this will solve your issue, and that should basically fix anything that you may be encountering. Now, sometimes you might not see NVIDIA Display Container LS. Instead, you may see like NVIDIA Network Services or something similar to that. So go and choose that, right click on it, just choose Restart. Once you've done that, you want to go and just basically see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is to basically uninstall the app and reinstall it again. So typically you just need to go to search, just type in uninstall, or just type in add or remove programs. Now in here you want to go and just look for NVIDIA. So let's go and just type in NVIDIA, and you want to go and just uninstall NVIDIA app here. Click on the three-dot option, click on uninstall, and once you've uninstalled this, you want to go and just install it again via your browser and see if that helps. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.